Yes.
You need to watch this.
I'm here again, Ghana, and I'm here because of Ghanaians. If you're a Ghanaian in Nigeria, if you're a Ghanaian in Igbo-speaking area, any place in Igbo-speaking area, begin to pack your things as I'm speaking right now. If you know who knows any Ghanaian in any place around where Igbos are, tell them to start to pack their things. Anywhere around Nigeria, tell them to start to pack their things. I will let you watch a video of a Ghanaian living in Lagos selling spare parts. Before I forget, anybody from any African country selling spare parts, either in Nigeria or any other place in African country, know it very well that an Igbo man is just by the side helping that person. Do you get what I'm saying? We own spare parts in the whole of Africa. There is nothing you can do about it. So, I am just telling you guys right now, any Ghanaian, because your people in Ghana are chasing my people. I am an Igbo man to the core. Listen to me. I cannot be any other thing apart from Igbo man. Nothing. Nothing less Igbo man. So, if you're a Ghanaian and you live anywhere around where Igbo people are, or even in Nigeria, begin to pack your things. Your uncle or your man who is engineering Ghanaians to chase the Igbos away, chase Nigerians away. They call him Dr. Hassan Ayariga. There is one other lady ranting on net 100.9 FM, abusing Igbo people and saying all manner of things. We know that Nigeria is highly corrupt. We know that Nigeria is not okay. We are all aware. And if you watch my channel, and you watch others who are very, very honest to themselves, you will listen to what we tell the government. They are not doing well. Nigeria's system is formed out of, the foundation is faulty. No doubt about that. But for you to pinpoint and go against my own tribe, anybody in Africa going against my tribe is going against me, and I'm not going to take it. So from now, I said, any Ghanaian living anywhere around Nigeria, begin to pack your things. Your people have provoked us enough that we will make some moves. Yes, we have to, because we cannot spare anything anymore. We have taken enough from you guys. You guys are chasing Igbo people, saying that anybody that wants to open a shop must pay $1 million and hire 20 Ghanaians. How many Ghanaians have $1 million? How many of you have $1 million doing business in my state, in my place, in my land? How many of you have $10,000? You don't have it, but you want us to have $1 million, and you want us to hire 20 Ghanaians. Ghanaians who are competent or lazy Ghanaians, or incompetent and unskilled Ghanaians, you want us to hire. We don't operate like that. Do you get the point? If you don't know our history, we know that Igbos are having problems in Nigeria. Your father, one of your forefathers, by name General Ankara, try to settle Gowon with General Ojukwu, where they wanted to, they were having problems, and they took the case, when Pan-African is Pan-African, not now. They took the case to Ghana on a different ground just to settle it. They could not settle it. After having a handshake with Ankara, Ojukwu Gowon got back home, and he never, put in practice what he signed. Do you get the point? Beginning from that day, that was the cause of the civil war in Nigeria, Biafran war. Until from that time to this moment, Igbos have never seen peace in Nigeria. They have been antagonized. They have been hated. They are being chased after. They deprive them everything they're supposed to have. They marginalize them. That is why you see us, we move some places to do our businesses. But still, Nigerians and politicians, they chase us. inciting others to go against us. We will not going to take that. We are not going to take that. We don't even used to take that. And we will never take that. So if Ghanaians, they have brought you over, like this Ayariga, this your Hassan Ayariga, he said he was not threatening the Igbos, but he's threatening people. So I'm gonna threaten him back. You, Dr. Hassan Ayariga, you are threatening people who are feeding you. Let me tell you, now that you want your Ghanaians to be clean, tell every Ghanaian in Nigeria to pack their things, or else you will see fire. You with the people you are putting together to attack Igbos. You will see, just make a small move. Another move you're gonna make, you will lose it. I'm telling you, look at my face very well. Any small move you make again will put you in trouble. It will put you and other Ghanaians in trouble. Don't try what you cannot stand. Don't attempt what you can't finish. Tell all Ghanaians living in Nigeria, or whatever you call it, living in my own vicinity, Igbo land, wherever in Igbo land, tell them to move. Tell them now to start to pack their things. If they don't pack their things, we're going to pack it for them. And when we want to pack it for them, it's going to be rough. We don't fear anybody. Ask questions before you move. If there is any Igbo man in Ghana claiming whatever, don't generalize the whole Igbo people. I know Ghanaians to be very big-time fraudsters. You can't tell me about Ghanaians. The ones I know, they are all fraudsters. There is nothing you're going to tell me. So if you make more moves against my people, this is the last time I'm going to say it. But as it stands right now, begin to tell Ghanaians living in Nigeria. Because listen, we Igbos, we don't forgive. We don't, the last thing we do is to forgive. Don't provoke us. Don't go against us. We will never forgive you. Nigerians can forgive you. Igbos will never forgive you. Igbos, read my lips. Igbo person will never forgive you. One bit. Anything you do to us, if you do us one, we're going to do it 10. If you attack one person, we're going to attack 100 people. That is the reality. It's just the truth. So, your threats and your whatever you are doing against the Igbo people, move more steps, make more steps ahead. Just make more steps. I know many Ghanaians are. We are waiting for you. Since you want problem, you're going to get problem. In quantum, you're going to get problem. Igbos don't look for trouble. Anywhere they are, they don't look for trouble. If Igbos are selling goods cheaper rate, it is in your own favor. If they are selling things in a price that you can afford, it is for your own favor, not for their own favor. They will make profit, but don't go against them. Don't make us get angry. Don't let us go against you. If we do, Ghana will not contend you and every other person living there. I'm just telling you this for free. Just for free. Every other person may keep quiet, but I'm not going to keep quiet to tell you this reality. If you go against an Igbo man, you're not going to like it. So, tell every Ghanaians living outside Ghana, in the same West Africa, to start to pack their things, because it's going to be a big problem. You, Yariga, and the lady in net 100.9 FM talking nonsense. If Nigeria cannot fix their electricity, it's their problem. It's their shit, because they let all these things upon them. Yes, they cause all this nonsense. I don't see any reason why they wouldn't have electricity. But I will let you watch this video about a Ghanaian guy living in Nigeria. What he's saying, nobody harasses anybody. Nobody harasses Ghanaians. They do their business comfortably and quietly. Nobody harasses anybody. Do you get the point? You watch the video playing along with my conversation. But this is what I've got with you guys. Get ready and move out of that place or before we move you. Yes, I'm serious.